Hello, welcome to Introduction to the Visual Arts. Now we've come to the part where I know that all of you are just waiting for this little video that we're going to make today. This is the final test. Right here in my hand, this is the final test. And so what is the final test? It is a booklet that will include all of your completed art projects. So as you complete your artwork, you would want to create a little, probably a 2 by 3 inch copy that you have printed out in color on a color printer somewhere. You'll have to either scan or photograph or figure out a way because to do that. So after you have a picture of each of your artworks, then you'll want to have a making your thinking visible that you will write out, and there will be a place on Moodle where you can see that sheet that will tell you exactly what needs to go in your booklet. Now in your box there are covers and there are some folded paper. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your book together, and you're going to want to accordion fold your paper. And after you have your paper accordion folded, you will want to glue it between the covers. But you won't do this until you have your covers painted. And I will tell you how to paint your covers in another video. But so I just want you to get an idea what you are working toward. You can start this booklet right after you have you've begun your lessons, while you've begun your projects. You don't have to wait till the last minute to do it. Once you have an idea, you're going to want to have kind of a uniform idea what is going to go in the booklet or how you're going to design the booklet. I will show you some examples that other students have done later on. I don't have too many right here, but I will show you later. So you're going to want to build this accordion booklet like this, and I will give you more instructions later how to do it. And so then you will work toward including all of your pictures in your work when you are done. So the finished product will look something like this. So we will talk more about this later, but this is why this material is important. Thank you for your attention.